In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change language in Identity 5. If you want to change the language setting in your Identity 5 game, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, launch open your Identity 5 game on your device. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, and then this will open up this general tab where you need to look for the language button at the bottom and tap on it. Now select the different language you want to change to from the list available. After selecting one of the languages, click on confirm and the game will restart in the chosen language. That's how you can easily enjoy Identity 5 in a language that you're comfortable with, making it easier to navigate menu, read dialogues and communicate with other players. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.